Dear chartered accountants, working professionals, and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting, and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant.
Daily news and updates for 7th October 2023. On the basis of an assessment of the current and evolving macroeconomic situation, the Monetary Policy Committee or MPC at its meeting on October 6, 2023 decided to keep the policy repo rate under the liquidity adjustment facility unchanged at 6.5%. The standing deposit facility rate remains unchanged at 6.25% and the marginal standing facility rate and the bank rate at 6.75%. The MPC also decided to remain focused on withdrawal of accommodation to ensure that inflation progressively aligns to the target while supporting growth. These decisions are in consonance with the objective of achieving the medium-term target for consumer price index inflation of 4% within a band of plus or minus 2% while supporting growth. SEBI has constituted 16 working groups to make recommendations on simplification of various SEBI regulations. These working groups will also look into the compliance requirements to enhance the ease and reduce the cost of compliance. This move follows an announcement made in the Union Budget for financial year 23-24. Further, suggestions are invited from public and regulated entities till November 6, 2023 towards simplifying, easing and reducing the cost of compliance of various regulations. SUVs now account for 50% of all passenger vehicle sales in India, doubling their market share in 5 years. This shift in buyer preference towards larger vehicles has come at the expense of small cars. The popularity of SUVs is due to a wide range of models and their higher road presence, which is seen as a sign of value. SUV sales have grown to comprise 48.3% of total vehicle sales in the first half of this fiscal year, while the share of hatchbacks has slipped to 30%. The share of sedans has also declined. Chief financial officers are switching jobs like never before as companies from IPO-bound startups to large firms entering new businesses seek seasoned CFOs to ensure financial stability, meet stricter accounting and regulatory norms, rationalize costs, raise funds and so on in a volatile business environment. The massive CFO churn in the last several months has also led to their compensation soaring to new heights, getting closer to the CEO pay in some of the top conglomerates and new age companies, top HR consultants and company executives. Recent top CFO moves include those of Jatin Dalal from Wipro to Cognizant, Saurabh Taneja from Tata Boeing Aerospace to Mahindra Logistic, and Ajay Goyal from Vedanta to Byju's. Other CFOs who have quit in recent times include Akash Mundra of PayU Global, Kedar Upadhyay of Renew Energy, and Kishore Saltore of Bharat Forge. Chinese electric car company NIO, which competes with Tesla, employs 11,000 people in research and development but sells only 8,000 cars per month. Despite heavy investments in robots and technology, NIO is not profitable and lost $835 million from April to June. Chinese electric car companies receive government backing, allowing them to withstand losses and continue growing. Chinese automakers lead in battery technology and electric motor production while also dominating the European market. Reliance Retail Ventures Limited on Friday announced that a wholly owned subsidiary of the Abu Dhabi Investment Authority will invest Rs 4,967 crore into the retail arm of Mukesh Ambani-led Reliance Industries Limited. This investment values RRVL at a pre-money equity value of Rs 8.38 lakh crore, which makes it among the top 4 companies by equity value in the country.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.